Hi, I'm Mr. Katz. I'm going to be your Algebra 2 honors teacher this coming year. I hope you're ready to meet some incredibly high expectations that I've set out for you. Now, you're not my first honors class, so you have to understand, you're not only living up to expectations that I've set from previous honors classes, you're living up to idealistic expectations of honors classes. Now, I've spent the past few years perfecting my craft with basic 9th grade algebra classes, and I'm going to attempt applying some of those practices with you. Now, it may be different, it may be challenging, and you're going to do some things that you're not comfortable doing, but I know you will reap enormous rewards from doing them. My practices are based on cutting-edge research in education, business, and psychology, and they may run counter to some of the things that you've seen in other teachers' classes. So be it. Get used to it. Now, I don't have your entire year mapped out yet. Some of the things that we begin doing in class I may abandon. Some of the things that we're not yet doing in class we'll start doing throughout the year. I am prone to changing things, but I will always let you know. So get comfortable not knowing exactly how the entire year is going to work out. I'll help you as much as I can right now. Know this. There's no piece of information I can possibly deliver to you that you can't find on your own. Let me say that again. There's no piece of information I can possibly deliver to you that you can't find on your own. See, we're constantly surrounded by the knowledge of the universe, and it fits in the palm of our hand. So if you're relying on me for a piece of information you don't yet possess, start by blaming yourself. We've got textbooks and we have the internet. My job is to help you understand what it is that you're finding, and I'm pretty good at it. But you can't be lazy and rely solely on me for that new knowledge. You're going to have to take initiative, especially if you're in the IB program. Now, you're also going to have to be comfortable with reading. Knowledge of math is useless if you don't know how to read. You have to be able to apply math concepts across all fields of study. And to do this, you're going to have to know how to read to find information, read to connect different pieces of thought, and read to understand knowledge in new fields. If you want to get started with this, make sure you are reading for pleasure. If you know how to read for enjoyment, you'll find reading for purpose a whole lot easier. And yes, I'm still your math teacher. Be a good person. You should understand what is right and what is wrong. Academic integrity is of the utmost importance. So if you do not pride yourself in the concept of learning, and then you choose to sacrifice your ethics for the purpose of a grade, which means you're cheating, you're going to be met with severe consequences. And I'm going to lose all respect for you because I know you're here to learn, not just to get a grade. I know you're better than that. So be sure you understand appropriate classroom behavior and appropriate classroom language. And I'll be sure to hold you to it. I have a mission for you. You're in a position of great opportunity in Algebra 2 Honors. You have the potential to absolutely change the world. You are the best of the best, and not just at this school. You are digital, you are creative, you are passionate, and best of all, you are young. You must learn to use your talents to improve our world. So you must know how to collaborate, how to think critically, how to be creative, and how to communicate with a broad audience. And I can help you with all these. My mission is that you learn to take on the evolving global economy of tomorrow and improve the world. Your youth, it's not an excuse to ignore this responsibility, it's your reason to embrace this responsibility. As for the class, by now you should know, be prepared for notes, homework, notebooks, studying, group work, classwork, pencils, erasers, TI graphing calculators, and lots of paper. There will be quizzes and there will be tests. But for grades, this may be a bit different. Your grade will only be a reflection of your demonstrated mastery in Algebra 2 Honors curriculum, nothing else. I don't grade homework. I give it to you frequently, but I use it to let you perfect your skills and allow me to help you. I do not grade notebooks, but I expect you to have them. I help you keep them organized so you know how to compartmentalize your knowledge. I do not grade quizzes, but I give them to you frequently. I use them to find out what it is you know and what it is you don't yet know. I only grade tests. So, if you want a good grade in this class, make sure you do well on tests. And how? By doing your homework, keeping a notebook, and using your quizzes to help you learn. If you didn't do well in a test and you think you deserve a second chance for it, you'd better be willing to convince me that you deserve that second chance. I might be willing to listen, and I could be easygoing at times. You will make mistakes in this class, and we're going to work together to correct them and learn from them. And you know what? I'm going to make mistakes in this class, but you're going to challenge me on them, and we're going to work together and learn from them. You're going to have a lot of resources available. You have Progress Book. You have my website that you can visit frequently. You have my email to stay in touch with me. All of this means it's going to be an exciting year, and I'm looking forward to working with you.